Alright guys, here we are in the Chalfont Pa Tiki Bar install, 8x8 Tiki Bar install. We just got done. There's Scott. Melissa's back there somewhere. They just got done cleaning up. Everything's done. So I'll walk you through this one. Alright, this is an 8x8 custom red cedar Tiki Bar with a 10x10 roof, and we got 6 Tiki Kev Bar Stools. Check those out. And I think it was Tiki Kev that did this. Let's see the... Yep. The logo says Tiki Kev. Must be one of his bars. So let's walk around. So this one is wired for TV and stereo, but we don't have anything hooked up. But everything's wired up there. The speaker wires, just like we did in Myrtle Beach and all the previous jobs. Speaker wires are in the corners. There's a cable up there if you could see it. And we got a 52-inch ceiling fan. And for all my friends that make fun of me for saying the word custom, that is a custom ceiling fan. And we got lower cabinets. We got a nice 20x15 ice bin. Holds, I believe, 80 pounds of ice. It's a big one. All right. What do we got here? Got some outlets. Is that interesting? Some cabinets. We got cabinets too. And a dry well. Yeah, getting excited now. We got a mini fridge as well. So that's about it for this one. It's a 10x10 roof. And our day is over as far as the install goes. So that will be it from Chalfont, PA. And let's see. There's everybody sitting up there. Look, they're all moving. And actually, they're not even moving around. I think Ed's bringing out some beers to celebrate. But this is what they do all day. I come out here, all of a sudden they scurry. And then when the job's done, they're just sitting around doing nothing. Yeah, that is the Tiki Kev crew. Actually, they all did a phenomenal job. I can't do what I do without the help of others. So everybody does their thing. Install went smooth as usual. And we'll be in New Jersey next week. Forget the name of the town. Crow Neck or something like that. Cork Neck? I don't know. Anyway, that's where we'll be. And then we'll be in Michigan after that. So I'm going to wrap it up here, and I think we're going to enjoy a couple beers. Ed, you brought some beers down? There's Ed right there. Oh yeah. What do you think, Ed?
Oh yeah, it looks great.
You love this?
I knew it would.
All right. So, are you happy?
Oh, of course I am. It's
all
great.
right. All right.
Ready for some drinks.
All right. You could tell Brian Kelly he's next.
Oh yeah, I'll tell
Right?
him.
All right. All right. From Chalfont, PA, Ed Smith and the Tiki Kev crew, Tiki Kev out.